ever visit Indonesia, you might see a beautiful fabric like this. This is batik, an art that has been around for over 1,000 years. And it's a big part of our culture. And today, I'm heading to Ubud to learn how to make batik the traditional way. Let's go! So this is a studio located in a Balinese compound with traditional architecture, and it feels like you're stepping into your friend's house. It's warm, welcoming, and full of creativity. Actually, they also offer some classes like miniature of kaliki, painting on eggs, and of course, batik painting. Now we're getting ready to make the batik. Bli Agung, our instructor, just explained to me the history of batik, the process of making batik, and now I'm choosing the template, the design. Actually, you can use your own design or using the template from here. Oh, I think I found the design I want. So this is the first step of making batik. After we choose the template, we follow the line and draw it with a pencil and the fabric, and then after that we go to waxing the sketch that we already made. So this is the canting, we call it canting. It's like the pencil to do the batik, and this is the melted wax. This is how you do it. Alright, all done. Now we're waiting for drying. So if you're looking for a unique experience in Bali or especially in Ubud, these things is the best way to connect with the local heritage and make something that truly personal for you. You can try this batik class at 5 Art Studio in Kaliki Village, Ubud. It only takes $27 and you can bring your own batik. For booking details, check the description. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye!